channel. I figured I would take you guys along for a little day in the life. Today started out a little bit rough. I had like
a bad night of sleep last night.
Had some nightmares, woke up feeling super anxious. Honestly, like just very overwhelmed and moody. Right, Mr. Goo? But I'm doing my best to turn the day around. So I first did a little workout, just like a good cardio, really short workout, because I knew that I needed to get dressed and ready early in the day. So I am all dressed because I'm going to be heading to Toasted, like my favorite little cafe in the Larkin area, to go meet this woman, Lindsay, who is, she does coaching in the Buffalo area. And so we have a few mutual friends in common. And so I'm really excited to just meet Lindsay, learn a little bit more about her business, and yeah, just get to know her. This has been a really fun season for me of getting to, because I have the time, getting to put that time into networking and building relationships with other women who own their own businesses in Buffalo. It's just been so much fun to get to do that. So I'm really excited to have coffee with Lindsay, chat with her. Then I'm gonna come back here, get a little bit of work done for one of my clients, possibly do a little bit more like content creation, filming stuff. And then I have another coffee meeting later today with my friend Sarah Swerniak, who also recently left her full-time job, but I'm super excited to chat with her, hear what's up with her, what she's looking for, and just see if there's any way to kind of support her, collaborate with her, all the fun stuff. So I figured today would be a fun vlog to bring you guys along. I just finished my coffee meeting with Lindsay, and oh my God, that was amazing. That was just amazing. I am in such a good mood now. It was just so great to connect, to chat. The volume on this is you're probably gonna hear wind and background noise because I don't have my mic plugged in right now, but
oh my God,
I just feel so good. And this meeting with Lindsay serves as such a reminder for me of the importance of taking time to get out of your own way. I wasn't in a good mood this morning. I wasn't feeling great. And going to this coffee meeting and connecting with someone and really bringing my energy and bringing my heart into that interaction, like we just had such a lovely coffee meeting. It's really funny because Lindsay and I literally have known each other actually for like 10 years. In Buffalo, she interviewed me literally 10 years ago for an old blog that she had. And so the fact that we reconnected, like I reached out to her because a friend of mine, Sarah, who I'm literally going to be meeting with in a few hours, Sarah had her on her podcast. And so hearing about Lindsay and stuff like that from Sarah, I was like, oh my God, I need to meet her. And I had totally forgotten until she walked through the door that we literally met before. And so that is just like a testament to what a small world it is in Buffalo. Like it really is just a small, small world. And yeah, it's just like putting myself out there and having this meeting totally shifted my energy. Lindsay and I had a great time talking, connecting. We laughed a lot. Like it was just such a positive, like spiritual little uplift for me. And it just reminds me, like I said, to get out of my own way, to put myself out there, to meet with people who work in my industry or live in my community, because just connecting with another person and hearing their story and hearing about what they're working on and sharing what you are working on is an amazing thing. It feels so good to connect like that. And so I'm just feeling really grateful, very, very heartwarmed to have had this time to connect with Lindsay. It was just so much fun. I'm so looking forward to my coffee later with Sarah and just making the most of these next few hours while I'm home. I'm feeling like extra inspired right now to be doing some business outreach. So I'm gonna think about the people that I think would be a good fit for me to outreach to and just get back to cranking on work for a little bit when I get back home. We need better lighting. Okay, I am back. I went to the Elmwood Village for a little bit to walk around, get some sunshine, and go into a few of my favorite businesses that I think might be a perfect fit for what I have to offer as a consultant. So it was a great little trip into Elmwood. I made a bunch of new contacts with people at these different businesses, and I'm feeling super excited. So now I'm gonna go home and work on some emails to these different businesses and yeah, see where that takes me. I'm just feeling so good. Honestly, it is a testament to truly just like putting yourself out there, going into the businesses that you love, that you would love to work with, reaching out to the brands online that you would love to work with. Like, you get 0 of the shots that you don't take. So put yourself out there, be your best advocate, and just see what happens as a result. Like, I'm just feeling so good. There's one business in particular, I'm not gonna give a little spoiler yet, but there's one business I really think I'm gonna end up working with and doing a kind of a series of things with, just based on the conversation that I had with the manager, and I am so excited. Okay, so I just got done crafting my email to some of these businesses, and I am working on getting that all sent out and everything, checking some other emails. So, oh my God, I'm feeling so good right now. So I figured we would do a little unboxing, because why the hell not, right? Super freaking fun. Got a lot of good
stuff here.
You know what? I know what this is. So I'm gonna open that last, because that is a invitation to a baby shower. So first things first, I bought the book Real Love by Jornsay-Silverberg, The Art of Mindful Connections. I've heard great things about that book. Oh my God, my clear stem came in. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna open this next, since I know what these 3 are. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe I got approved for a brand campaign that I wasn't aware of. Oh, I think that's exactly what happened. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so.
Anyway.
Okay, I've got this. I bought this supplement. I was influenced by Kylie Ross to try Clear Stem, because she uses a skin supplement from them, and I'm super excited to see if it helps me with my skin. So these are the first 2 things. Let's get my phone so that I can make a little Insta story, so hold on. Okay, so we took a brief interruption to do laundry, which is great, since Matt and I go away on Thursday and it's Tuesday evening, and I'm getting my hand tattoos touched up tomorrow evening. I need to seriously pack tonight and tomorrow. This was literally the last chance that I kind of had to do laundry before we go, and I just microwaved the tiniest bit of leftover pasta that we have, because I am
starving.
I don't know what Matt and I are gonna do for dinner.
I need to eat a little something, and then we will continue with the unboxing.
So back to our unboxing. So excited about this. I got an invitation to Katie's baby shower. I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Obviously, I'm a yes.
The RSVP into that.
And I'm going to open up these 2 packages finally. Gosh, so exciting. I literally don't even remember finding out that I was approved for this campaign. So that is super exciting. Rael. This is their Miracle Clear. It is a soothing spot gel, ideal for acne-prone skin, which is amazing.
Oh, it's a little pen.
It's a spot gel. Dab on when you're developing a little spot, and I am super excited.
There we go. Now it's broken down.
So that was package 1, and now package 2 I'm so excited about because it's from Brew Doctor. I'm gonna open up this kombucha and figure out what my next steps are, whether I wanna film some content with it or what. So I'm gonna end the vlog off here. If you guys enjoyed this video with me, a fun-filled, really exciting and engaging Tuesday in the life, hit the thumbs up, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and stay tuned for the next one.